Installing accessories onto the Edco concrete floor grinders is simple. All one needs are the accessories, a hammer, a punch, and our wooden wedges. As seen here, the Edco Scarifier assembly, wire brush, and grinding stone accessories are all installed the same way. For these accessories, it doesn't matter which way the accessory slides onto the disc, as long as the wooden wedge is tightly secured on the inside of the multi-accessory disc. Much the same is the installation of the Dymacert accessory. The placement of the Dymacert really doesn't matter. It can slide in this way or flipped around and slid in this way too. Again, what's important is the placement of the wooden wedge. If the wedge is placed on the outside of the disc, the Dymacert and other accessories will fall off the machine while grinding. The wooden wedge must be placed on the inside of the disc and hammered in tightly. The PC Dymacert and StripCert accessories must be slid in a certain way. For the PC Dymacert, the diamonds must be closer to the disc openings. The diamond bar should always be on the inside of the disc. For the StripCert, the tungsten carbide square that actually performs the coating removal must be closer to the disc openings. The spring should always be on the inside of the disc. The only concrete floor grinder accessory not installed onto the multi-accessory disc is the Servicer disc assembly. For that product, unbolt the multi-accessory disc, keeping the disc's shaft and rings on the machine. Then install the Servicer disc assembly in the multi-accessory disc's place.